Here I've got ZTE Axon 9 Pro, and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on the following device. So at first, let's open list of all applications, then find and pick settings. Then you have to locate and open accounts right here, and as you can see, we are currently logged in with our Google account. To remove it, just click on the current account and then tap on remove account. If you'd like to get rid of all details connected with this account, tap on remove account. And that's it. As you can see, it disappeared. Then if you would like to add another account, or if you would like to log in with the same account, just open the settings, pick accounts one more time, tap on add account, then select Google. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, as otherwise you will not be able to log in with your Google account. And now let me enter my email address. Okay, let me go back there. It's accounts. Hard reset. And then tap on next. And here it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, you just have to tap on next. And here you can come along with all Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. And if you agree with everything, just click on I agree. And here, as you can see, backup to Google Drive is active. Tap on accept to confirm your selection of these Google services. And that's it. As you can see, your Google account is connected with the ZTE Axon 9 Pro, so you can smoothly and easily add Google account to the Android device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.